Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix no sound issue in camera video recording on iPhone. 1. Check microphone settings in camera. Open your camera app and start recording. Then swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. This will show you whether the microphone is active. If the microphone is being used, you should hear sound. If you don't hear anything, try the next steps. 2. Restart the camera app. If the microphone is on but there is still no sound, close the camera app and reopen it. Sometimes this simple step can fix the issue. 3. Restart your iPhone. If relaunching the camera app doesn't work, restart your iPhone. This can help resolve any temporary software glitches. 4. Check microphone permissions. For older iOS versions, go to Settings, Privacy, Microphone. Make sure the camera app has permission to use the microphone. On newer iOS versions, microphone permissions are typically set automatically, but it is worth checking if the issue persists. 5. Test the microphone. If none of the steps above work, test your iPhone's microphone by using other apps like voice memos or making a phone call. And guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!